The LyxPro CS 39-inch guitar kit is an excellent choice for aspiring musicians of all levels, offering a complete set that includes a professional-quality electric guitar and essential accessories. Crafted with a solid paulownia wood body, rosewood fingerboard, and a polished Canadian maple neck, this guitar is designed for comfort, durability, and an appealing aesthetic. The guitar features a classic C-shaped profile with a three-ply pickguard and single-coil pickups, delivering a rich and dynamic sound that suits various music styles. With built-in rotary control knobs for volume and tone, players can experiment with different settings to achieve a variety of sound effects and musical expressions. The kit includes a dependable output jack and connector cable, making it easy to connect to your favorite amplifier and transition from practice sessions to live performances. Available in vibrant colors and suitable for both left and right-handed players, the LyxPro CS 39-inch guitar kit makes for a perfect gift for music enthusiasts.